Hi, how you doing? My name is Edward. Today I will be making pizza. Let me show you. Well, these are some of the ingredients that I have to make pizza. You're going to need, well, first you need pizza dough. I'm using pre-made pizza dough. You need cheese, pizza bread, pizza blend, and then you need salt, pepperoni. I use turkey pepperoni, for that's the best. Turkey is the more superior meat. So right here you put the sauce down and you put the cheese on here. Gotta sprinkle it like this. Yeah, you really want to cover the full surface area of this pizza. Cover the full surface area. You really want to save some of it because you're gonna make more cheese. Put a little bit right here. Okay, we got that down. So we got one pie done. Now let's do the other one with my sauce. Here we go. Now stir the sauce. Put a good amount of it in the middle, and you spread it. The key is to get complete surface area of this if you can. And yes, this video is going to turn out kind of weird if I don't upload because of how somewhat cringy this might be, but still. Gotta make sure, don't want to be reckless with it. Yeah, I want to get it all right there. Gotta spread it. I want to spread the love. Let me take some of this.
Don't make it too thick.
Like my mom said, we shouldn't be making this too thick. But like all people, well, you gotta go big or go home. You really need to spread it around. Yes. Spread it around. Like this one. I should put some sauce on this one. Yeah, put a little bit more sauce on it. The cheese fell. I don't know if I'm gonna like this video, but that's okay. There we go. You don't want to waste the cheese on me. How's your quarantine going today? Mine's going good. I'm trying to make the other two look like this one the best way I can. And then the key ingredient that you need for making pizza, you need pepperoni. Which turkey, as a meat overall, is the more superior dish. Because if we ask my mom right now, is turkey the superior dish?
It's the better option.
It's a more better option, but she knows it's superior. Don't let her trick you. You gotta know the truth. Turkey is a better option than pork. I don't eat pork because I just don't. Or maybe because it's unhealthy. Not that healthy. Because the pig itself is not a clean animal. But that's okay though. This one needs a little bit more cheese. There we go. Now we add the pepperoni. What do you think is a good number of pepperoni you put on the pizza? Comment down below. Yes. Yes. So okay, gotta get sure I get everything on here. I really want to make how to make ramen. How to improve your ramen. Like enhance your ramen experience. That's really what I want to do next if I do food. For food is good. We all like food. We all like snacks. The food is everything. We can all get around food. So, after you get the bread, you put the tomato sauce, you put the cheese, you put the pepperoni, then you gotta put it on a dish. I'm using this dish right here. And while making pizza, you want to preheat the oven 425 degrees. This is what the pizza looked like before. And now we're going to see what it will look like after it's done. Let me ask you. Hey, Mai.
Yeah.
How long should we put the pizza in for?
20 minutes.
Man, so you really want to time this up for 20 minutes. And now we wait. And then I'll show you the final results. Thank you. Like and subscribe.